because we are big. Tama, electric crowd no. Or say Kotoko no. Once I say about I say the who na a bon who buying. So ho, a bon kasi and who no, and what the bon who buying. Or say Kotoko no. Obiat Kotoko dia na ne ho popo. I didn't say because Kotoko a big club. Na kane no na ya tia who say Kotoko aye wada. Or say debi I say Kotoko sorry. Kotoko no a ye nim tete Kotoko no a oti Asante Kotoko na ade apopo to teams so no. Ese sa Kotoko no esa ba biem. Nti adwuma a odi ato no so se wo be ye na odi Kotoko na ba no so no. Nti eno so ye ba ni se na waka na kuche bi agu afidie so. Na ya bona enkofo so atibi. I want growth from the youth team to the senior side. And also Eric Tinkra. Wa kire se ne opese ohihye ni team no. Nti youth side no na mo de ba be wuram na mo be pie senior side na say mo body ko na say no so no eno so e wo ho entama we na me di etwa to na e de aka na beka ho 5 new players join the 2 Cameroonians, making it 7 as Kotoko justify your inclusion continues today. Tama justify no to aso ne.
Away.
E pajo
Justify. Omo ye justify so kan.
Say yeah binuma beba ba omo so ma ho de ahwe.
Now no even justify
your inclusion. So ho de so
wetin justify.
Ewremu a. Nti
I
pay 35 new players be on some division 1 and division 2 for players be
justify inclusion.
Your friends
it's not called justify inclusion.
Your friends what that
players could be invited for observation.
Traditionally, no observation is justified.
No.
Who observe football? Why justify?
It's football. There are terminologies. Can no tradition? They need to find justify inclusion. You invite players. Only momu baby.
Na we musu sa obi animu.
No. Obi animu, you cannot go to Kotoko training grounds. It could be scouts or be being invited to say, come and let's observe you, whether your standard is that of Kotoko.
Come and justify why Kotoko must employ you.
Yeah, sometimes you find it difficult to accept basic things, simple things.
What line?
And yet justify your inclusion.
Recruitment Chelsea, I make an announcement. I don't talk about things. They are being justified.
This are no free beer to be
good. Alcohol. But Kotoko training ground is here. So one can say, bra, you cannot
go justify inclusion. You are there to be observed. That is football terminology.
That football terminology.
No.
Who got trial?
One of our main ways is to educate people. Hey, and I be a fancy me and Zan yet here. Justify your inclusion and say, yeah, but the moment we have seen you somewhere, or somebody within us has seen you somewhere, no, I recommend you my coach, you know, because a brand new observer here. It's not called justify your inclusion.
Inclusion, I say.
In the case of justifying, usually nobody has even seen you before. And if you justify your inclusion,
usually,
normally,
there are times
usually speak with a normal sense of everything. Say justify. Yes, that's why there will be any. Yeah, justify you or abyss back. Obiet me could be. But when you scout say busy abrochina. You go there for the coaches to observe you and see whether you can fit into their plans. And we am trying to justify you.
And I pay 35 new players. I can't
recommend I recommend their coaches no. Coaching staff and I'm saying mom ran here home. And I am trying to justify you.
Mikel Obi only United can go training.
I'm observe one.
Mikel Obi. He was at quarantine. No, we training later on.
Omo heno.
I don't know. Unka say Man United are doing
Justify
inclusion. No.
What you say?
Oh, bro, now you say Kotoko, justify your inclusion.
Obama be find near Marco. What is that?
Na say you who dia kwa catch up so obey.
Ah,
so you who this one boy.
There na wan engine huni. Na ni mom did it on bit Kotoko. O me be 1,005. And this say scouts. Ehu baby near fro say brana coaches na rewa. E ma cho no nya justify inclusion.
So they also observation.
You Zaana mo kan. Your free players na you nim wo mo dada. Obi ehun wo mo dada o. Say bra, nothing clan and the staff no observing whether indeed you fit into their scheme of things.
You are 35 new players and pay.
Okay. Na zo bi a obebo team fufu bi eniu. Nti good. Inclusion being chosen to play inclusion of the being watched and evaluated exactly. Being watched and evaluated.
Let's say justify you are watched and then your performance is evaluated. Now you say the next day. Eventually no will rate.
Born yeah no kofari. Also when who justify inclusion bro fu. But for crying first of all.
The Matthias say
but for crying first of all.
But they no dey come here no born now dey to so they no dey come.
Okohe inclusion. Okoye inclusion we no where events observation and observation
you born the catch so
oh sound no on the to so say visa was a born and the justify inclusion there enye idea you don't see Liverpool say justify inclusion e twem obo what you say and no my scouts and I
wa kra Osiakoto
Kanu so say
was say. So in effect, Mikel Obi was at Carrington to justify why he should be included in the United team.
Why should they? Why was it?
They called him.
So in effect, they called him back in effect.
Don't use me just say Obi Frost Branami observe you are not there to justify any inclusion. Justify inclusion.
Can you use the so in effect? And I think that the line when it's so in effect.
In effect what?
And he also my son kind of the buy.
In effect what?
So in effect, Mikel Obi was at Carrington to justify why he should be included in
he was at Carrington. Obi abit ma ko Carrington. Obi asra no ko Carrington say me be justify the intent.
Kanu am say wanti Ariel line. Arisi Kotoko.
Wanti ana wanti.
Kanu na o kasa achel no.
Oh so wanti.
Wanti Arisi Kotoko justify your inclusion. And we are correcting him say Kotoko are not doing justify your inclusion.
They have invited players for observation.
To justify why they should be.
Because justify. Nobody know one power there justify. Say, come and let me observe you. Unko justify. You are not before any. Unko justify. Unko justify.
And I say, person closely.
What are you going to justify?
That as I say, ma okwan ma bobo makoto.
Unko man also ma kwan. Ada air force will be my queen. Say me justify the injury of family. We won't go koda. Some of go to muchom enye.
O dey ya general.
Say go justify. Kotoko invite players and it happens all over for observation. A football terminology. I'm say justify include Ghana and Gwana wo. I'm say Hankwana mo.
Yankwa dey use sawe.
Minti do we biada.
Sawe dey.
Say afro be for justify.
Yankwa dey use sawe na say yankwa dey
wiase be
be na
Matisse team be justify your inclusion. Wiase minti be da.
They eno no ya omo ye
say. You see, what the scout wait ma be Kumasi a. That's my name car usually. Obet ma free baby aba say abrofu bi aba. Anangofo bi free aba. Wo unim ball bo bi abra na enhwe wo. Eno na ye omo friend justify inclusion. But if football teams having used their scouts, any mom here, so you who players by 3. We have seen them the way they play, normal height, their weight. We think that they should be good for our club. Coach is a more form of running home, and we invent justify inclusion. Can we move forward? Kanu, and you didn't hear the Mungo Zack to have Mungo to be got telling Mamma.
Women are Yabuano no pay. Etnasia, the Omukaman on the buy, a baby fina, a bit hunkomo. A lot is happening. A transfer, a so. A lot is happening. Look at Sino, only said, I know the car. A Seidu Saana as
a so go that's the English. Okay.
The car Seidu Saana as a mutual. And information I'm picking say, Adriana Faja to me say, so also more the remaining 6 months now, uncle.
As I say, there's no issue. Okay, already say no.
Oh, no, what
I told you
there was an issue.
I did your papers, say a contract. And then I call baby, I will produce as evidence. So sign play an affair 6 months.
No player no issue.
Never.
And I said, you're not one more clear. All those.
No. There are two things. Either some be born on humanitarian grounds, and I said, more we are de no. You have to commit yourself to another 6 months. What I say, in this we are, they can go back to the contract and make some amendments. So I'm saying the players agreed. So hanging a bit missing. Do a beautiful year, you may in
addition to so in addition to
some two bank or more than digging Omurefi term. Be a wide bossing be your bank na BBSC digging and fail them and digging failing. No akaso be a making a mintuan you dear. Nenso be here be kakra kan ho. Mr. Bekum be ka just say digging failing. Digging failing no. Omo yen style be next can be no extended date no. But so boa me o madwuma mu. I have a 3-year contract with you. If you help me, that does not automatically translate to another 6 months. So be say any sad ya, my entiase na yen committee yourself. Oh people no so. And if that was a Joanna's argument, then it was a bit weak. Then I make a choice say, why that should be an issue. What I say? Ya sign crater as me ye adwuma ma on fie 9. Me first 6 months na me won nsem bebre no aboa me won. Oh boa me ma me ntiase say sa amoa na ade boa me no. Ye be yi 6 months we na wan ni agro na frim. Na ye de. Akoseto. Ba wan kasa ade me no so a.
According to my bonye nyese
nyesa na tie.
Nyese o the problem no ba no mo eboa no. They omunya na mistake during the registration no.
Okay.
So they did a mistake on the names. I mean certain AB.
And that are no more corrected errors on the contract.
Errors. Oh my yeah.
That could even be different. That's just I said, Adriana Betima argued that the contract was not valid then.
That was the argument.
No, no contract no. The registration no.
Okay.
Contract no assignment so register.
The registration equation allows you to play.
Yeah, you know.
So you couldn't have played in the first 6 months.
First is yes. Because registration now go through.
And
registration so no contract is a part of the registration.
The contract is different.
No, I'm saying that say
the registration the bemwa ball no. But you see
before you be allowed to register no. I say you deposit part of the contract.
The record deposit and nka menu me
Oh okay.
What I say?
Oh okay.
The record deposit no. And can you mean you say no? But
I know I deposit.
No, me not them. And I was saying, my mama on females. And I agree. But what association them now? A cool now don't know say. Uno be contract of Abeto. So the back got tour next year. So the better this you may end the family contract. Anyway, that's it. But I saw the old man.
Eventually, also on the also on just.
There's also a way.
No, Benjamin
we're a bit more closer, but on Kotoko on time, as you say, we're dragging the feet.
My friend.
Oh, comedian.
As a Zack information.
Oh, nothing may become a demand that I say. Medium Asat medium lady, but me say Kotoko nearby. Send you or for crowd.
Very good player.
Oh, yeah.
Position, babe.
Where midfielder. So I shall go for
like you know.
I know him. Yet even this week.
Oh, say I when I was so there.
I Islanders at School Park. Now
Ah, okay. Oh, Kumasi guy.
Oh, yeah, Bosso boy.
Omo born to tribal.
Ah, yeah.
Nti ono Obama Kotokoli for.
Okay.
He is the captain of the Kotokoli team.
Seidu Saana.
No more be semi final. Me what happened in the semi final call me.
Okay.
I saw him closely.
Okay.
And Ediana so me share pa last
Good
year.
player.
No, he's a good player. He's a good player. And unse Mediama are using the Africa and again paying good money. Yes, be Africa no kwa. Unse one team resource wise also it will compete with
Akasifo
no Mediama. So they are using the Champions League and good money also to
Seidu Saana.
To entice him.
But I'll take Kotoko project and started.
Yay, bafo.
But
Bafo.
if you're not needed here, and then no credit.
And I think Kotoko will justify increase and answer on the map and that.
Why, Seidu
But Zack, young boy.
Side media way, the new brands and communication manager, David Obinyako, and it is Side media. And no pay
On communication can.
information. Brands and Kwan. Say previously not the communication, not the communication can.
So them the brands.
Into where they were different okay into brands and Kwan. And a pay brands manager asked me training grounds.
Okay.
Also a tight team nechi. I could hear the no cost now. What's me brandy yama, BBI, come. Boss, Pacho, maybe
An interesting one. You see, Eric Tinkler, nobody's hyping, and I said they are not hyping him. He has hyped himself already. This is a manager who yes, he lost all those finals. He's played in the Champions League final and played in the CAF Confederations Cup final. And he's not beyond hyping. Yes, and
about
Confederation Cup final.
On one ticket.
Yeah, Nina with Orlando Pirates.
Oh, okay.
And I say like Ubi ne happen or happen no. Nejuma is hyping him. And so far, so I should go to training ground. You see a different.
No, that's what we call him.
He's using the ball. He's using the ball to kill them.
Or you're more.
Yeah, coaches and the modern football coaches want to use the ball. Put the ball in the tumbrika more. Put the ball in the tumbrika. A comb say no to tumbrika. You know. So yeah, you use the ball. You use the ball to do a lot of dress, and then but you know, I say you when you be from the yes, you understand. You see a lot of changes and improvements in the training. Now only one thing down here. The some found up as I'm confused.
There.
I'm confused.
I'm born trainer. How will be any good team before?
I'm pound up now. Do you know what they do? So far, I don't actually office in ready. So they use the baby players and done one few on. I'm power. Tinker request the video of the training to go doing video analysis and analyzing the training
with the players.
No baby on the players he analyze and see training I no. We any one year a course so he analyze it and come and do the correction. Ntieba ebia o training and enko no sa na ma adwenu akwa na o nante. Saana say we say this is what oye. I don't know menzo so nkofi eti saade na
ni mo bia
e san ka be akoda so but what they are doing is that they think say training no crowd you have to analyze it and say you point no to be nkofi because nyabi o wa bia ye hu but through the video analysis you can see it and correct it.
Okay.
So if what show more they are showing that they are top professionals. Omo obi say yes they are top professionals. Enya vene ya bi obi ya kwakoda ene na ma say na ti base da bi na da ti base na o hwebotis da bi nyesa na tie. So they are using all their time to do coaching, thinking about what to do next with Kotoko. Now minim whether because one area that people are worried about the playing body. Baby feel say Oman live up to the electric moment of no buy
last season.
Yes, maybe it was about the environment. Maybe the new coach comes in and get the best out of them. But baby feel say the level of Tinkler no. So far the ABN players on level no ama the coach na style kakra. but you can't judge now. Ebia, he can get the best because you've seen a lot of coaches. Not coach for no players number one body. But he comes in and change the environment.
They're not Maureen is a good example.
I don't have a very example of it.
So we, for example, baby,
make example and see, let's see what will happen. Yeah, ask for the kind of control. What they are doing there, it doesn't make footballing sense. Like, what do you want to say?
I didn't
say all this war when you're a World Cup period. They are relaxed to take decisions. You're still now, munim them way.
Ebia unyanhu di omo.
Oh, so at least so far we are seeing it.
Dio. Unyanhu di omo.
No, that's
Jibo nti me recommend this solar na ma. Where ya o minim so wa cover there. Unyan cover there. Yeah, per solar panels go so.
Oh, okay.
And the solar is a new way.
Sir.
Contact me meet me be at a discounted rate.
Okay.
You num can na generator tata bia and one no 0242 438 solar. That's the way to go. 0256 040838 www free bibia na why a light no so dada we between side the panel and no to 30,000 a month e be as low as 3,000 ti mo pro frame so amenya bia ma di wo de ndie me ya ma na me ama discount to ama
nyame be ye yenhwe ask for asem no you don't say about a month ago na asem a ye ka fa kotokofo ho ani o so nsa because na emu bebre ho ani nim the plan of the board but the kind of 1 month ago no and obi no betia be ka the same thing about kotoko
Buma has for
I feel say
Zack
Abia they are also prepare they are also yes Saana near cut time and I work up near we work up na and we work up na league no 30 days I care so the training and team me feel say
I came and defended it with time.
If you say mo nya abotre kakra so tell me say has now recently a lot of challenges so too when it even come to financial issues omonye recently omonye a lot of challenges nti nya abotre emfa mo na ma
dey asem ne aka
about there
Mr. Zack, Orlando Pirates players are the same with the crop of Kotoko players. Sejita, we are all here. I'm recording some of the passport show and play back to you. You can't say me.
No, na message say message say my program near there.
Yeah, you can't say me.
But one thing is say they were achieve Orlando Pirates there. Same so to me no me dey mean something.
It's there. Oh, I was on the
and na the why am dey be a twom na dey nam.
So the hekai.
And so one sem ne hekai. So what me say. And na bibia so no wa kire say chinchina so to obakotoko be so sidi. But based on the records ne nyoma wa ye there. Say we discuss na you cannot take it out. Etinye say bi oyepa and aye hypothetical na say ye bibi. But the record na da one there at least so to I think me kra no say if me na me in charge of Kotoko CCA Zutu and kenye the instant success in Nakamere. Share the past 3 years adieba ko edi Kotoko nya a team in discipline especially from the players. Inti uye coach na uba the first adwuma yesa wo ye how Zutu be instill in discipline e wo team nim. Discipline with him. So tell me chana say. Eti sa stages no. So edu maybe so take time o. It take time. Asa no one say team na wo build no. Ade na abeto ye na enye no. In discipline we team say there wo the discipline about team nim. 2, you need to develop a star. Kotoko should have ni DNA say ni person ye boy. Eti after Tinkler said that she be not Tinkler niwa Kotoko kofa coach ebia na nkoye coach ni success nkwa but obi a fit into their style of play. Eti o build this anyoma we nyina na foundation is stronger success no me to obo nsa no a na success ne ba obon nsa no a na results ne ba na de success ba enti me fu se doto e abotre e na chitafo ni nyina ese omunya hwe wo de woni hwe kura no hwe ni CV no de ba no doto I'm not sure coach ye benya coach bi oga na asisi ojiska chen no
what you saying
na sa wo hwe ni CV na ekura na ne dia adwuma no so do waye no waye bi atwom no yakọ adwuma ese fa CV bra no so to no na ekọ kire wakatua wo eno na ekire wo level
CV no tell me CV na ekire the oba be
yes ena ekire wo adwuma waye baby a wo no de nti e be fa nti fa bra na be kire wo level baby a wo no so dem chana say enti for even the board to make that appointment paying that sum of money to coach no ekire wo say board no maba no so to omo ba say omo ba be di agro eti wo ye chitani a what do you have to do? And na me wo advice kakra dem supporters leaders no. Maka se stage na so tu stages na Kotoko afam no. Who you be a watena se pa ye critical analysis a. Enya time for emotional and sentiments there be atwam. A time for business. How to generate money, raise the level of the club. And then your board clubs say Kotoko tipen so a. So to reason in say financially they are stronger than Kotoko. Ekwabe no mo fa so nya sika na ene ombe ye stronger than Kotoko. Enye mimpe we you free ha fa we be sha ha wa me share supporters aye ma stadium. No. So wa wote ho na wo he level na mpanyifo ni raising na wo se level ni wo sora. Support an eye wo duty. And who need any excuse. Say you have to go and support them.
okay
no but that the mention say enti as training course ni nyoma say wa no ye Kotoko supporter na for the past be 1 week wo nyoma ye course a lutu live
fa ho shem
aha ese uja bibia to nchen e na wo ye supporters leader na ofu say division wo ha based on the board ye e wa said yes for supporters ni nyina ebe bom na mzo to mo support team no